Joey the rat. Joey the loser. Sneeze. Sneeze, sneeze. Oh, I'm gonna be here for a couple minutes, so. Bro. You literally just admitted that you're going to start snitching because you are a loser and people know you're a loser and you keep lying and lying and lying. Bro, give it up, bro. Walk away with it, bro. Walk away. You are a beautiful loser. I will give you that, bro. Ain't nobody come close to you. Nobody. So you stay proud of yourself. You are a good loser, bro. A good one. You said you go literally start snitching and putting people in jail. See, I can tell your punk butt never seen inside of a jail or inside of a county. Cause you are snitching like a little hoe. Like a little pussy boy. Talking about, it's weird. You know what's weird? Is how you keep making up more fans. Every time you get caught with another fake one, you make another one. Every time. I had never seen somebody so hard up to be on YouTube. You need to stop lying about it. I don't need YouTube. I don't need YouTube. Oh, I guess you say you quit 50 times. Ain't nothing, I guess. And you came back 51 times. I just find that freaking hilarious, bro. That somebody like you, a nasty, nobody knows picking loser that literally has to steal every lyric and every beat on this planet just to get by. It's insanely crazy to me. Bro, you literally always lie about everything. And that crap you showed walking through her house. Man. Bro. That was the most pitiful looking house I've ever seen in my life. Pitiful. If that's a mansion, I'm living in a goddamn castle. I never seen a mansion with 2 rooms and bikes and freaking couches in it. It looked like it literally looks like you were paying rent for a room. And then you go put that on there saying this is a mansion? God, that is man, that is sad, bro. And then you try to show using some pool. Hey, dum dum. Next time you want to fake like a pool is yours or whatever you're trying to say, how about you try not to film that sign on that tree? You know that little sign that said pool rules and children can't be out here under a certain age, or you got to be, you know the signs. Basically, it ain't yours. You are in a apartment complex pool wearing some nasty looking sunglasses and a Steelers hat and that stupid looking cigar. You don't even know how to smoke it. Hey, deadhead. Why don't you clip the end first, then try to smoke it? You know, that end, that end where you clip it with your cigar cutter, because it comes out a little bit more flowy. It flows out when you try to smoke it. See that ahead. When you a hillbilly trying to live like you got champagne money, the only thing you got is big gulp money. That's what happened. You don't know how to live life. And you keep on wanting to live that life. That is never going to happen, bro. You are a loser. Stop, bro. Just stop. And show that stupid one, that video with those two cars was down in the parking lot. Bro. You are so dumb. So dumb that you literally tried to act like those cars were yours. And you so happen to drive both of them to this hotel. You had to drive both of them. But didn't you say your license was suspended so you couldn't drive? And that's why your car is down there with your mansion? Bro, whenever you're going to get it to your nasty, picking brain of yours, you are dumb. You are about smart as a freaking bag of dicks, bro. You try your hardest to make sure you did this and this and that. Bro, you are just an idiot. A natural born idiot. And like I said in every other video, stop acting like you don't know what this is. I tell you every time, bro, whenever you're ready to put up your fake money, I'm going to get on that bus that day. When you get on it, I'm going to sit next to you, and I'm going to say, so you put the money up, right? You go, what you talking about? But you know what I'm talking about. You put that money up, right? And you could probably punk out and say, I don't know what you're talking about, or whatever you say, because you're a sissy, you're a pussy. Or it doesn't matter anyway, because I'm still going to handle you. I'm going to ride that bus until you get off of it. Then I'm going to get off with you. And I'm going to tell you, I'm going to whoop your tail in front of these people or those fake fans that you make up all the time. And one more quick thing on that. So you try to say it's weird that somebody have you videos and saying your name because we are pounding you. We said we're going to smash you every chance we get. And we're doing it. So I guess that's no weirder than you making up fake fans and talking to them. So I guess that's not weird neither, huh? Wow. I guess that's just like normal. I guess that's what everybody should do. I guess the Sawyer's team, football team in NFL, should just start paying people $20 a pop, coming to the 8 games and cheer for them. Right? Since you clearly say it's okay. Because you do it all the time. Yeah, I guess that's just okay too. So next time you run in your nasty mouth, don't forget to mention that, pussy boy. when you want to be a snitch. Bro, can't wait to see you. Trust me. Cannot wait. Loser.